Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Seamoth in Subnautica. First, understand that your Seamoth's health bar indicates its current condition. When it takes damage, you'll see sparks and hear alarms. To begin repairs, you'll need to exit the vehicle and equip your repair tool. This essential device allows you to mend the hull and restore its integrity, getting you back to exploring the ocean depths safely and efficiently. To fix your Seamoth, you'll primarily use the repair tool. If you don't have one, craft it with one silicone rubber and one titanium. Once equipped, simply point the tool at any damaged section of your Seamoth's hull. You'll see a green beam and hear a distinct sound as the repairs take effect. Keep the button held down until the health bar is completely full, ensuring your vehicle is ready for its next adventure. Sometimes, your Seamoth might suffer more severe damage, leading to hull breaches. These require the same repair tool, but you might need to mend multiple sections. Consider installing upgrade modules like the hull reinforcement to increase its durability, or the perimeter defense system. This system emits an electrical pulse, deterring aggressive creatures and preventing future damage, which is incredibly useful when exploring dangerous biomass. Preventing damage is always better than repairing it. Be mindful of your surroundings, especially when navigating tight spaces or near large creatures. High-speed impacts can quickly deplete your Seamoth's health. Always keep an eye on your sonar and be prepared to use defensive modules. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keeping your Seamoth in top condition ensures your underwater explorations remain safe and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.